Use much for things you cannot count. Use many for things you can count. Number 1. How blank sugar do you want? You cannot say 1 sugar, 2 sugars, unless you mean sugar cubes. Sugar is made of tiny grains all mixed together, so it's treated as a big one mass. To count sugar, you need units. A spoon of sugar, 3 packets of sugar. So the answer is, how much sugar do you want? Number 2, how blank friends do you have? Friends are countable. You can say 1 friend, 2 friends. Each friend is separate, so you can count them. The answer is, how many friends do you have? Number 3, there isn't blank water in the glass. You cannot say 1 water, 2 waters, unless you mean bottles of water. Water is a liquid, and liquids don't come in natural separate pieces. To count water, you need a container, like a glass of water, 2 bottles of water. So the answer is, there isn't much water in the glass. Number 4, she has blank books in her bag. Books are countable. You can say 1 book, 2 books. Each book is separate, so you can count them. The answer is, she has many books in her bag. Number 5, we don't have blank time left. Time is uncountable. You cannot say 1 time, 2 times, unless counting events. Time is abstract and flows continuously. So the answer is, we don't have much time left. Number 6, they bought blank apples at the market. Apples are countable. You can say 1 apple, 2 apples. Each apple is separate, so you can count them. They bought many apples at the market. Number 7, he doesn't have blank money. You cannot say 1 money, 2 monies. Money is an idea of value, not a single item. To count it, you need specific units, like $5, 10 coins, 3 banknotes. So the answer is, he doesn't have much money. Use much for things you cannot count. Use many for things you can count. Now it's your turn. Write 6 more sentences using much or many on your own. Then check your answer by yourself. Remember, I'm a real person, not AI, so subscribe and keep learning with me. I'm Nelson. See you next time. Bye.